Hey guys, excuse me. So I am getting ready for work and I just washed my hair and it's drenched, and I'm gonna show you how amazing this Revlon brush blow dryer works. I was lucky enough to get it at a place called Dirt Cheap up in Tennessee, and I only paid 30 bucks, but they are so cheap on Amazon. I think they're 60. Sometimes they go on sale for like 40. So check these out. I'm gonna do a montage, so let's get started. So I like to separate it and kind of do two sections at once, or not at once, separately. My allergies are flaring, I apologize. So what I do after I blow dry it, I run my straightener quickly through it to help it, but this volumizes your hair, so this is pretty cool too. So let's keep going. Okay, so this is a quick dry, and I have kind of like a natural curl wave, and this is drenched. Like, I could probably pull some more water out of it. So look at the difference. I'm telling you, guys, this product, amazing. And now that the hair is pretty much dry, I will grab my hair straightener, get it kind of warmed up, and then now I will I'll kind of part it how I want it, and then kind of give it more of a dry, so it kind of gives like a blowout volume. So, like, it probably took me a total of like 8 minutes, a little less. So, now I am going to straighten it, because I don't really like this. It's kind of a little fuzzy, and I didn't put any hair protectant, heat protectant, not hair protectant, in it. I currently don't have any. Well, I kind of have this one. It's called, it's the Redken Diamond Glow. I don't have much left, but what I'll do is I'll put it on after, to kind of help shine the hair out. But once I do this, I can usually go 3 to 4 days without having to wash my hair. I don't know why, but this doesn't make my hair oily. So, yeah. All done. So I may just quickly touch it up. I got these stupid little baby curls that like to pop up. So that's it. So I'm telling you guys that Revlon, I want to say it's, I can't remember the exact name, but the blow dryer hairbrush, amazing, worth every penny. I probably would have paid full price for it. Probably would have paid up to $100 if I knew how quick it would do my hair. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you enjoyed these videos of mine lately, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Until next time, I will chat with you guys later. Bye.